Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 21, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a strong investment opportunity with a score of 4.89, making it a buy candidate. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance over this period. Investors who followed our analysis have enjoyed an impressive gain of 23.44% since we initially recommended Intel as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.69% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $48.25, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 36.98% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 18.08% and 40.38%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 52.91% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 13.4% and 44.04%. So, after a year, the price range could be between $53.39 and $67.81. Our latest daily update for Intel brings exciting news: Green Day on Thursday for Intel. On the last trading day, Thursday, December 21, 2023, the Intel stock price saw a gain of 2.88%, rising from $45.76 to $47.08. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.38%, reaching a low of $46.02 and a high of $47.12. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, experiencing an overall increase of 11.7% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume fell by -8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.33 billion. It's important to consider that when volume decreases as prices rise, it could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was recorded at $47.27, while the lowest price dipped to $24.73. Currently, the price stands at 0.4%, or $0.189, below the 52-week high, and 32.05%, or $22.21, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when it reached $69.29. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation. Let's start with the most recent update. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Another notable rating came from Bank of America Securities on the same day, December 15, 2023. They also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Going back a bit further, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities gave Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade action. And finally, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Intel stock. The Intel stock is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. On corrections down, there is expected support from the lines at $45.87 and $42.58. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. It's worth noting that a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 14.08%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to closely monitor the stock as volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Moving on to negative signals, there have been some issued as well, and these may have an influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 185 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to support, Intel has found a level of accumulated volume at $46.16. This level could potentially present a buying opportunity as we might see an upward reaction when the support is tested. In terms of risk, this stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the previous day, the stock saw a $1.10 difference between its high and low, which accounts for 2.38% of its value. Over the course of the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.6%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Intel, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.430. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Intel. When analyzing the stock, we find that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a day trader, this presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and use volume as a determining factor for your exit strategy. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point for you, as you anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David made an insider purchase of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Gall Scott conducted an insider buy of 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -8.121. Overall, insiders have purchased 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $45.56, which represents a decrease of 3.22%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 11 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Intel stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected a level of overvaluation in the current price, based on the volatility in movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 22, we anticipate Intel to open down by approximately $0.341, with an initial trading price of $46.74. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.